If you're feeling a little bit tense anywhere in your body, here's another technique that you can use. So this is called sponging. So your hand is going to grip whatever part of your body is feeling a bit sore, and you're just going to very gently wrap your whole hand around that area, give it a little bit of squeeze and a lift as if you're squeezing water out of a sponge. And then you're going to slowly release and imagine that sponge is soaking up that water. And then we're going to do it again. We're going to pick up the muscle and we're going to slowly release. Now you can move right through your body wherever you want to. It could be the top of your shoulder. This always feels delicious here. We always carry a bit of tension. And you're just going to squeeze it and then slowly release. You can do it at the base of the skull. So using the pads of your hands here, wrap them in, and then you're just going to gently squeeze the muscle up and then slowly release. And you could do that around your hip, your thigh, anywhere in your body, and just feel how delicious that feels afterwards, releasing that tension. What I would suggest after doing that is just brush the tension away. Just brush it all away. Beautiful. Yeah, out of whichever part of your body, could be the neck, just brush it away and shake it off and be done with it, ready to move forward tension-free.